Now folks, we're back with an update on the loft makeover and the hall remodel right here on my take on home and garden. Guys, check it out what I got done so far, and we're going to keep showing you phases of getting it done. And we're going along fitting these pieces. And the big thing I wanted to show you is that this laminated flooring, you have to leave a space all the way around. You lock it in the long way and then pull it in the short way. So lock in from the side and then pull it down on the end. And I am really getting happy with this product from Lowe's. Lift it up about 22 degrees, lock it in the long way. So on a 22-degree angle, you lock that long side in, push it down, stay back from your joint. Then you got to pull in that joint. Clips in, and when you have room, you can tap it in. So you're going to need, I like to use some hardwood, like here I'm using oak to tap. You're going to need it. This is actually the gravy part. The hallway, I'm not looking forward to whatsoever. Okay guys, here you can see I've moved the desks and dresser and finished the flooring. Just that, and going down and around the S-bend of the hallway has taken a whole day. Now I'm going to show you something at the top of the stairs. Okay guys, now you extra sharp folks that have been with us and watched the stair runner go in, you may have noticed that I left quite a little piece of stair runner. I didn't cut it, and that's how far ahead you got to think with some of these projects. I bought it this long, so now at the top of the stairs we have a piece of carpet. And what are we going to do now over our new flooring? Put a couple of tack nails in it? I don't think so. So I want to show you this two-sided carpet tape that I love for projects. Now there is one-sided carpet tape. What would that difference be? Well, one-sided is to put two pieces of carpet together, okay, and two-sided is what we need in this application. Position it where we want it, and now pull the back off that and bring this up around snug. Put a little pressure on there. Now we're going to finish this off. I'm going to fold it back, and I think I want to do about a three-sided bit here, just back from the edge of the carpet like this. And we're going to do that again here for ways. If it's perfect, it's hard to get a hold of that starter. See here, now we'll pull that off. Pull this off. That cover paper. And that is some sticky double-sided carpet tape. It works really good. Now we're going to do this side. think I'll get over here where I can pull it and look at it. And I'm liking that. So I'm going to press it in. Now it's not impossible to fix or change if you make a mistake. I'm thinking it's really pretty good. No nails in the new floor, guys. And we're going to keep going. Now folks, we're here for the big upstairs reveal. Let's check it out. Come on over. As you know, we replaced the flooring. I had to put a base shoe down. We secured the rest of the carpet from the stairway. We put an oak nose here. Then I had all the carpet strips to do. And the hallway walls are going to get changed, but we're just showing the floor today. Got some cable to move. And of course, the big deal is we changed not only the flooring in the loft, but I did a complete makeover. And you guys remember the two Greco-Roman pediments? Here's my take on redoing those. With an antiquing and a aging technique. So we have a mix. We still have mummies. The Book of the Dead from Egyptian antiquity. We have Venus de Milo, another mummy. The wonderful relief piece that I thrifted, you saw in a video. This artwork is all genuine on papyrus. And this is Cleopatra and her barge with servants. And here's the big reveal and what I did in the loft. Now we've moved some of the artwork. These sofas were down in the living room. Some of you that are always here might remember this amazing coppery bronze tray. That I'm using as a tabletop. And there's our black tray we just saw from Hobby Lobby. With the coffee pot. And the brass cream and sugar. It looks like a Turkish lunchroom, doesn't it? Here's our 3 boxes, thrifted again. After 12 years, I finally got a shade on this arch panel over the door header and pediment. Unbelievable. What they want for almost nothing. New shimmering beaded curtains will link from Amazon, and a new 2-inch louvered blind that I just put in today. Moving along, there's our thrifted shield, our soldier, King Tutankhamun mask. And here's a quick redo on the shelves. Some art and things have been removed. Some things are going in our store. Here's my little surf corner with my surf mags. Even got this guy that was in the Navy submarine force, and that would be about 1983, probably right there. The columns we had in our bathroom. We got The Thinker by Rodin, assorted Egyptian and nautical pieces, real soapstone carvings from Egypt. Very few things are faux or bought local. There's a handful. Camels from Israel. Terracotta fish. Grecian plate. We even have the bell off the Titanic. Now that would be something, wouldn't it? The museums would be knocking the door down. But it's the replica they got years and years ago. Too cool. You've seen that good looking couple before. Here's a new David, and he's winding up with his slingshot. And this David was originally done by Bernini in Florence, Italy. I just think he's fantastic. The original is there. If you have any Egyptian collectibles, you gotta have an obelisk made over there, hand done, chiseled and signed. And this soapstone is Ramses II. Quite fabulous. But we gotta keep him under control, and we do that by having Moses, and he's got the 10 Commandments that he's written down for the rest of time. There's our antelope horn. My little thrifted leather desk, compact, folds up. You can carry it like a suitcase. If you recall that one, another thrifted deal. Here's a beautiful Easter bouquet basket that you saw me do in a video. And Lord help me, I have a new chair. For the first time in my life, a nice roller, comfortable desk chair where I can plan our videos and feel like a real person. There it is. I surprised Angela with the gray, dark gray I wanted, because it's different. We got enough dark brown here, we have enough black. We'll do a quick 360 for you. And if you're like us at all, we move things around. This carpet was in the master bedroom. And then it was under the kitchen table. Now, waiting for this spot, it's looking real sweet up here, I thought. So, if the sofas from the living room downstairs are up here, I guess you may have to wait and see what we did downstairs in the Decorate the Living Room video. Guys, if you liked our video today, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over. Check out our stores. Check out that super thanks button so we can keep it coming. And have fun, guys. Be happy, everybody. See you in the next awesome, amazing decorator and collector video.